All right, guys, here we are, part 2 of Donruss Optic opening 2019 football. I'm Carson's dad.
I'm Carson.
And yeah, this is part 2 of it. There are some of the hits or some of the cards we got last time. A bronze rookie card, Joquan Williams, cornerback for Patriots, signature. We did get a Daniel Jones silver rated rookie. We got a Joey Bosa, Donruss Threads. Key thing is there were no numbered cards in this retail box. That's going for $50. But figured we'll try it again because we do like the Optic cards. So hopefully we get a couple better hits. As we did last time, I will open the cards and Carson will go through them. Yeah.
Fancy smancy.
Yeah, for $50, they got to do something nice, huh? Here we go. 10 packs again. 4 cards per pack. Optic, part 2.
And all we get.
All right, buddy. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Who are we looking for? Yep, there's the.
Who again?
Who are you looking for? Who do you want to see in for 2019?
Murray, Allen, Mahomes, McCaffrey.
All right, there you go, buddy.
Okay, first pack. Terrell Suggs.
Who's playing for Kansas City?
Mika
Fitzpatrick.
Fitzpatrick. And rated rookie, Rashawn Gary.
Silver.
Yep. And Looney Johnson Jr. Luke Kuechly. Juju Smith-Schuster. Aaron Jones. And Riley Ridley rated rookie.
Let's go, buddy. We need some of that magic.
And then Le'Veon Bell. Marcus Lawrence. Dwayne Haskins, Elite Series rookies.
Nice. It's a good little card.
And again,
I really like how clean these things are.
There's the Elite Series.
Yeah, nice little card.
And then Brian Burns.
Ooh, I like that one.
Richard Sherman. Corey Davis.
Back him up. Uh-oh, who's this?
Lonnie Johnson.
Lonnie Johnson. There's our signature bronze. Lonnie Johnson. Don't know much about him. From Kentucky. There's our one hit. So, I was hoping we would have a little better luck on our auto on this box, but I guess not.
Same card as this one, the normal.
Bronze rookie. Lonnie.
And then rated rookie, David Montgomery.
Oh, that's good. It's a nice rated rook.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Boy, we're not getting lucky on... I mean, they're cool signatures.
Yeah, but... T.Y. Hilton. Tyreek Hill. Phillip Rivers.
Silver.
And Raquel Armstead. Silver of Phillip Rivers. That's our hit in that pack. Ooh, there it is. Todd Gurley. Josh Allen. Marquise Blair.
Another silver.
And...
you go through those silvers pretty quick.
I know.
Marquise Blair, is that a rookie? Yeah.
I keep on thinking they're like base cards. And Amadi Hooker, rookie card. Adam Thielen. Mitchell Trubisky. Ooh, Gardner Minshew.
Oh, nice.
Rookie card.
Nice little bronze Gardner Minshew. Says Prism on the back.
Prism.
It's a sharp card. Hope he keeps them
and rookie card of Greedy Williams, rookie card.
Greedy Williams.
Ooh, Eli Manning. Mike Evans, same.
Ooh, what's that one?
Jimmy Garoppolo.
Let's see that. Who's the rookie? Your last card.
Oh.
No, not big.
Byron Murphy, rookie card.
What is with the cut on these?
I know.
You notice that? Huh. Boy, for $50 a box. I don't know if that's a mistake or...
It's supposed to be that.
What the heck?
Kind of looks like...
Come on, Panani.
Go on, Panani.
Oh, this is a throwback from... oh my goodness. That's from... Is that 90 or 91? The border? That's pretty cool. What would that be? It's not going to tell us the throwback. But regardless, it's a pretty cool card.
Yeah.
That's a throwback card.
And just a...
Two more packs. There you go.
Josh Rosen. Melvin Gordon. Daniel Jones, rated rookie.
Another one?
Same card as, or one in the background.
Look at that. We're getting the rainbow going.
Yeah.
Daniel Jones, bronze. We got a silver and now a bronze.
And then...
Come on, Daniel Jones. Keep doing
Jameel
good.
Dean.
Well, that's cool. All right. Well, I think you're going to have your...
Mem.
You're going to have your... Oh, you're going to like this. You're going to like this. Dad likes it. All right.
DeAndre Hopkins. Josh Norman.
Get them out so you can see them.
Alexander Madison.
Awesome. Wish he wasn't hurt.
And then, Saquon Barkley.
Donruss.
Jersey.
That's silver.
Two good ones.
Nah, I like that.
Numbered?
No, not numbered,
Darn.
but nah, it's still, you got a Saquon Barkley, you know, piece of jersey. Player worn, guaranteed by Panani. Still a cool card, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
I tell you what, no, it's Saquon Barkley. That's great. Okay. Well, a little better box. You got that bronze Daniel Jones rookie. That's awesome. So, but yeah, there we go. Saquon Barkley, the second other hit. All right, guys. Well, that was our second retail box, or part two.
Optic.
I mean, we'll probably do it again, but I'm not gonna, jump at it. But it was a good shot to take a look and start collecting the bronze parallels and stuff like that.
If you want to collect Optic, where we found these was the Minnesota Target in Otsego.
Yep, we did find some. All right, guys. Well, hope you all have a great day, great night, and until next time, I'm Carson's dad.
I'm Carson. Till next time.
Yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.
See you later.